Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Career Guide Placement Solutions. So today I will be discussing about the Wipro Phase 2 Pre-Skilling Training Program. So many students have many doubts regarding this training session. So I will be clearing all the doubt in this video. So stay tuned to my video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's begin. So many students have already attended the Wipro Phase 2 Pre-Skilling Training Program, and those students who have not yet received such mails, let me clarify you guys that this pre-skilling training program is a 10 days training program, and after this 10 days program there will be a final assessment, and after you clear the final assessment there will be another training. So that is the separate thing. But after this pre-skilling training program, many students recently are receiving rejection mails. So let me show you what is the rejection mail all about and what is the reason behind the rejection. So here you can see this is a mail from Wipro Candidature Update. So greetings from Wipro. We appreciate your time and effort and commitment in undergoing the pre-skilling training. After careful review of your performance in your final assessment, we regret to inform you that you do not meet the required criteria for the successful completion of your training. As communicated to you earlier through our hiring guidelines, successful completion of the pre-skilling training is a prerequisite for onboarding. We appreciate your time and effort you have invested in this process. While we are unable to process with your onboarding at this time, we encourage you to continue developing your skills and pursue your career goal. Kindly be informed, since you are not eligible for onboarding as part of the process, your offer letter will be revoked effective from the date you have received this communication. We wish you all the best in your future endeavors. Regards, NGA campus team. So let me quick give you recapitulation of this mail. So this is the mail from the NGA campus team, as you all can see, and the mail tells you that you have not successfully completed the final assessment, and the criteria, according to their criteria, you do not meet the required criteria for successful completion of the training. As a result, they cannot take your candidature forward, and your offer letter will also be revoked from the date you have received the offer letter. Okay, so these are the points that are mentioned. So from now there will be no further communication from the Wipro team to you. Okay, so those who have received such rejection mail have got this mail already, but those who have not yet got, I have showed you the screenshot of the mail. So similar mail you guys will also get if you get rejected, and same reason they are sending everybody. So this is a system generated unmonitored mail. Here you can already see, please do not reply to this email address. So this is the same reason, and I don't know why, but they are sending mails that you do not meet the required criteria. Okay, so that is another thing. So this is the mail. So what is this, I have already showed you, and if you have any further queries you can directly mail to the NGA campus team for any further information. So those who have received this kind of mail, comment down below that you have received such mail, and those who have not yet received, still you can comment down below so that I can know that how many students have received such mails. So till then, stay tuned to my channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will come up with such new updates. Thank you. Bye.